National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Monroe County in southwestern Illinois, Madison County in southwestern Illinois, St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, until 7 p.m. At 5:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm were located along a line extending from Godfrey to Antonia, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted includes St. Louis, Belleville, Granite City, O'Fallon, Alton, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Godfrey, Fairview Heights, Cahokia, Swansea, Glen Carbon, Shiloh, Wood River, Highland, Troy, Waterloo, Columbia, and Bethalto. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 30, Interstate 55 in Illinois between exits 23 and 37, Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 9 and 27. This also includes Horseshoe Lake State Park and the Missouri State Capitol Historic Site. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Remember, if you hear a thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis, and Madison County, Illinois.